For years, the physical destruction of California wildfires forced thousands of families to pack up and leave the state. Leveling coastal neighborhoods meant losing everything, so people started looking inland for safety. It was a similar story in Florida. Back-to-back hurricane seasons took a massive financial toll on residents, driving them away from the coastline in search of a stable, predictable place to live. The Midwest answered the call. Cities like Duluth, Minnesota, marketed themselves as climate-proof sanctuaries, where a middle-class salary could still buy a nice home with a yard, safely isolated from the chaos of the coasts. But in 2026, the data showed a massive anomaly. This chart compares national home insurance premium increases by state. Minnesota just recorded a historic 34% surge in a single year, bringing the average policy to $3,530. Because lenders legally require comprehensive insurance, almost all homeowners pay this through an escrow account tied directly to their mortgage. That means this sudden 34%. A single season can bring dozens of events, dropping golf ball-sized hail on several zip codes at once. In 10 minutes, a single storm can move through a suburb, destroying the roofs of entire neighborhoods and triggering millions of dollars in claims. Repairing this kind of brutal wind and hail damage requires complete structural replacements, demanding massive payouts from the insurance companies covering those homes. Mega insurers have spent the last few years paying out billions of dollars more for Midwest roof replacements than they actually collected in premiums. Their actuarial math has completely collapsed, sending the entire industry into a state of panic. To stop the bleeding, insurance conglomerates stopped sending human adjusters to assess property risk. Instead, they deployed fleets of drones, low-flying airplanes, and high-altitude balloons to photograph the roofs and backyards of millions of homes. They feed this high-resolution imagery directly into proprietary artificial intelligence systems. These algorithms are programmed to ruthlessly scan properties for microscopic infractions, flagging a patch of moss on a shingle or a tree branch hanging slightly over a gutter as an unacceptable liability. When the algorithm detects an issue, it triggers an automated, non-negotiable 60-day cancellation notice. Homeowners are forced to spend $15,000 on a brand new roof or tree removal within 2 months or lose their policy entirely. This massive demand for sudden capital is devastating to seniors living on tight fixed incomes. Many retirees paid off their mortgages decades ago, meaning they aren't legally required to carry insurance. But dropping their coverage to avoid the premium spike means leaving their entire life's equity completely unprotected from the next severe storm. Faced with a forced choice, these seniors are watching $3,000 premiums swallow their pension checks. They are being pushed to sell the very homes they plan to retire in, simply because they cannot out-earn an algorithm. This shockwave hits renters too. Landlords facing the exact same premium surges on multifamily properties are rewriting leases, trapping tenants in a cycle of steep rent hikes to cover the operational costs. But the most immediate economic tragedy is happening to first-time homebuyers right at the closing table. When an underwriter factors in a sudden, algorithmically adjusted premium just days before closing, it acts like a $900 weight. It instantly pushes the buyer's strict debt-to-income ratio past legal lending limits, destroying the transaction entirely. Nationwide, home insurance costs have risen nearly 3 times as fast as general inflation since 2021. This line graph projects the compounding trajectory of annual Midwest insurance premiums over the next 2 decades. As convective storms compound and AI surveillance models grow stricter, projecting the current 34% increase out 5, 10, and 20 years paints a bleak picture. At this velocity, home ownership is changing from the baseline milestone of middle-class wealth into an exclusive luxury subscription. The true barrier to entry will be the ability to afford the escalating annual cost of defending the property against the insurance algorithms. Geographic isolation provides no defense against automated underwriting. With risk being hyper-segmented by AI, the heartland has become the newest site of the American housing crisis.